Hello, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to fix Snapchat adding friends not working. So I'm going to show you guys in this video. So let's get started right away. So let's say you would go to Snapchat, then go to your profile, then go to add friends. So here you can add directly, and mine is working. But what if that doesn't work? If it doesn't work, then there might be a reason that your phone is not working. I mean, your Snapchat is not updated. So you can check that by going to your Play Store, then search for Snapchat. Then if it says update, you need to update the app. And if it says open, it means that your app is already updated. If that doesn't fix it, then what you can do is go to settings, then scroll down and go to app, then go to manage apps, then you're gonna search Snapchat, and then right here you should clear data. Then you can clear all data and clear cache. And after that, you can just reinstall and maybe it should fix it. And let's say you search for someone but you cannot find the exact, like you search the exact username but you cannot find that person. Then what might be a problem is that that person has simply just blocked you. So there's why you cannot find that person. Yeah, that's basically it. So I hope that this video helps, and if you have any questions or comments, can leave it in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.